How to check your bounty in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the steps to verify your bounty status in Blox Fruits. The process is straightforward and easy to follow. To ascertain your current enhancement from the bounty and honor system within the Blox Fruits, engage in the conversation with the NPC known as the Bounty Honor Expert. This individual will furnish you with the details regarding your current enhancement. For a more comprehensive understanding of each documented enhancement, you can consult the wiki. To confirm your bounty status in Blox Fruits, simply interact with a aforementioned NPC situated at the cafe. You can locate him adjacent to the turret, or alternatively, you may find him at the floating turtle area in the third sea or within the mansion near the portals close to the third sea. He will supply you with additional insights concerning your active enhancements and the advantages associated with your current bounty or honor level. Depending on your level, you might receive defensive or offensive enhancements. For instance, upon reaching a bounty or honor level of 500,000, you will receive a 4% defense boost and a 3% damage boost, with these bonuses escalating with each subsequent level. It is important to note that he is not available in the first sea, necessitating a journey to the third sea to locate him. I trust that this instructional guide on verifying your bounty in Blox Fruits has proven beneficial. If you found this video to be informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.